In the grand tapestry of storytelling, third-person narration emerges as a compelling guide, offering a view from outside any single character's perspective. This technique, with its roots anchored in the annals of history, hails from ancient epics and oral traditions, where narratives were crafted without favoring one character's viewpoint. The advent of third-person narration was born out of necessity, allowing storytellers to paint a broader picture of events, embracing multiple perspectives and settings within a singular epic. It laid the groundwork for stories to achieve objectivity and expansive scope, welcoming audiences into complex worlds and narratives. From the earliest epics to the classical texts, third-person narration has been instrumental in shaping storytelling, creating immersive experiences that transport listeners to uncharted realms. As we progress, we'll explore how this foundational method has evolved, influencing character development and the overall narrative framework, showcasing the enduring versatility and power of storytelling. Venturing deeper into the evolution of storytelling reveals a pivotal shift in third-person narration, from an omniscient, all-knowing view to a more limited perspective. This transformation reflects societal evolution, propelled by the rise of printing technology and cultural shifts. Early narratives, previously dominated by an omnipotent narrator, began to narrow their focus, offering readers an intimate view into characters' minds. This shift towards a limited perspective deepened emotional engagement, making stories not just about knowing but feeling. Authors like Jane Austen and Leo Tolstoy masterfully used this technique, creating narratives rich with authenticity and emotional depth. These changes molded the literary landscape, demonstrating the impact of narrowing perspective on the exploration of the human condition. The journey of narrative techniques into modern literature further shapes character development and reader involvement, reflecting humanity's enduring desire for self-understanding. As we traverse the evolution of third-person narration, we've seen its transformative effect on storytelling. This technique, akin to a camera effortlessly sweeping across scenes, captures the essence of characters and their environments, enabling writers to construct complex narratives. Through examples set by literary giants such as Tolstoy and Austen, third-person narrative proves capable of weaving intricate human conditions, allowing characters to unveil their depth gradually. It's a craft that transcends mere storytelling, turning words into worlds and characters into companions, enriching the narrative's immersive quality. The power of this perspective not only engages but reshapes the reader's experience, leaving a lasting imprint on their psyche. Exploring the narrative landscape further, we've noted the distinctive capacity of third-person narration to sculpt characters and worlds, enriching reader engagement. Unlike first-person narration, which narrows the scope to the narrator's perspective, third-person offers a panoramic view, revealing the universe of the story. This method does more than narrate. It invites readers into a dynamic engagement, beyond mere observation. This broader view positions readers as omniscient participants, deepening the narrative's psychological impact. It's an immersive experience, distinct from first-person narratives, preparing us to envision future storytelling transformations. As we look forward, the enduring nature of third-person narration promises to continuously evolve, connecting readers' hearts and minds across emerging digital platforms. Our journey through the narrative realms of third-person narration has highlighted its expansive evolution and vital role in storytelling. Standing at the future's threshold, we recognize how storytelling's fabric is being redefined by technological advancements and cultural shifts. The fusion of traditional narration with digital innovations paves new paths in interactive and immersive story experiences. These frontiers hint at a future where narratives transcend conventional boundaries, transforming readers into active participants. As technology reshapes how stories are told and experienced, third-person narration remains at the forefront, poised to enrich storytelling in unimaginable ways, making future narratives more dynamic, inclusive, and immersive.